Have you ever heard of paper trading? There's a positive side and a negative side. In this video, I'm gonna break it down for you what is paper trading and show you the positive and the negatives. But by the way, y'all, my name is Tanisha T, and my goal on this channel is to help you make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per day by trading options. Let's get right into this video. Well, future millionaires, paper trading is going to be a great tool or it could be a bad thing. So we're gonna talk about the positives of it and the negatives. First of all, what is paper trading? Paper trading is simply a simulation or practicing using your brokerage account while the stock market is open. So you will be able to simulate taking trades, buying stocks and selling stocks during the live market without ever risking any of your real money. So let's first talk about the positives of paper trading. One of the positives of paper trading is that you get to actually learn how to use your particular brokerage account or your platform. And it's really important that you know how to enter a stock and actually exit a stock. You do not want to be sitting in a stock your very first trade in real time with your real money and not know if you did sell it off, did you exit the trade, did you close your position. That is the worst feeling ever, of not being sure if you closed out a trade that is not going in your favor anymore. Okay? So the way that you avoid that is by practicing on your particular platform paper trading for at least 30 days, entering and exiting trades during real time, so you feel extremely confident that when you start trading with your real money, you know for a fact that you have bought your particular contracts you want and you have sold them correctly. Another positive of paper trading is that you get a good feel of navigating the market in real time. We all want to start options trading. We all want to do that, but you need to be able to navigate the charts, your trading view, and also your platform. So being able to use these two tools at the same time are so important. So the best way to do that is doing it in real time. So you have your trading view open and you also have your brokerage account open. Another thing you need to be aware of, are you going to be using your desktop version of your brokerage account, or are you going to be using your cell phone version, right? My husband and I have two different brokerages. He has Interactive Broker. I have Thinkorswim, and he uses his desktop version and I use my mobile version, right? So there's so many different ways to actually enter and exit a trade, but you need to figure out what works best for you, and the best way to do that is by paper trading. Okay? So paper trading gives you a lot of confidence. It gives you the confidence to enter and exit a trade, use your platform, and feel confident when the market is open and live. Now, let's talk about the negatives of paper trading. One of the negatives of paper trading is that you can develop bad habits while paper trading, because guess what? It's not your real money. You can be risky, you can be carefree because it's paper money. But we want to be very careful that we do not develop bad habits while paper trading, because guess what? When you start using your real money, you're going to start losing that real money, right? Because you have developed bad habits while paper trading. Another negative that you need to watch out for when it comes to paper trading is that you can risk the paper trading account gets funded anywhere to $100,000 to $250,000, right? And that's all fun to look at, but if your personal account, your real account, is not going to be that amount of money, I suggest that you do not trade with the amount of money that they give you in the paper trading account. Try to trade with as close to the amount of money that you will have in your real account. So if you're starting with $1,000 in your real account, you should paper trade with $1,000, because you would simulate the risk to reward that you will get when you actually start trading with your real money. It might be so much fun to purchase a $50,000 worth of Apple contracts, but are we really going to be doing that in 30 days? No. What's the point of that, right? We're learning how to do this in real time so that when we have our money in the market, we know how to navigate it better. So do not risk use the money that they give you in the paper trading account, because it is not a realistic reflection of what you're going to be using when you actually start risking your money in the market. Let me tell you, just real time, the real. When I was starting out and I had a paper account, I paper traded. I paper traded on Thinkorswim and Webull. Those were different brokerages that I used. And I was a great paper trader. When I mean I was a great paper trader, and I did follow my rule of using only the money that I'm going to be using in my real account. So I did not risk the $50,000 they gave me. I stayed within my realm of my account and I did good. Like I was trading awesome. I even did swings. I made a killing on an Apple swing. But when it came time to put that real money in the market, it got real quick. And I had to remember my strategies, right? I had to remember my rules. I had to remember my criteria for entering and exiting trades. So let's recap. What is paper trading? Paper trading is a simulation of using your brokerage account, be it any brokerage that you're going to be using, Thinkorswim, Interactive Broker, Webull. Robinhood is a broker, but they do not have paper trading. I just want to point that out to you. If you want to use Robinhood, they do not have a paper trading platform or part of their platform. So just be mindful of that. When I was paper trading with those particular programs, I was able to learn how to navigate the particular portal, right? The mobile version of the particular app. So positives, great way to practice, comfortable with using the platform, comfortable with using TradingView and your broker during real time, gaining the confidence to make your trades on your own. Those are positives of paper trading. Negatives, you could develop bad habits, you can get unrealistic returns, and when it comes to your real-time money, you will have wrong expectations because you were practicing trading with the wrong amount of money. So that being said, guys, I hope I clarified paper trading and showed you the importance of actually doing it early on so that when you're ready to trade, it's going to be a lot easier and everything's going to make sense. Okay. If you want to know more about options trading and actually be inside of my community, check out the Discord in the description box where we have a free channel, but in the premium channel, I go into more detail. I give you live call outs and actually break down trades that I've taken during that week. All right, guys. So without further ado, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year.